Hey Littleton FLL, I completed my in-person kit, Robot Challenge number 1, and I wanted to film it and show it to you guys. So I'm going to do that now. Hopefully, if you haven't completed it yet, or you maybe want to do some revisions, this is good inspiration for that. Alright, so I'm going to turn the camera around, start my program. Ooh, I can't see. There it is. Alright. So you can see here, all my attachment is a little one-way latch. Then when pushed this way, it goes forward and then clinks back and keeps the eraser in. And I just put these two little axles on the side, and they can swing all the way up without hitting the color sensor, and then they kind of keep the eraser in from side to side. And all of the code, I just use the gyro my blocks. So I have my color sensors on, but we're not using those yet. And featuring Miss Poppy, who, oh my kitty, who wanted to be in the video, didn't you? All right, thanks guys.